I've had a lot of people messaging me about how to do videos. So instead of replying to everybody, I thought I'd do this little video and show you what I mean. Now, when you're doing a video, you need to do a beginning, middle and end, and it stops you going off on a tangent. What do I mean about this? Is I'm going to show you and I'm going to do one for you. So it might help you understand a bit better that it's not that hard. So, hi, I'm Tim from Run with Wolves. Vegan, organic, plastic-free candles hand poured in Manchester. And today, we're going to be talking about this little beauty, the Orange Embers candle. This has got crisp citrus scents alongside the sweet spice of cinnamon. Now our candles are pure organic essential oils, as well as having the extracts of sweat from a wolf as it runs. So if you're looking for a candle with that extra sweet sharp bite, then this Orange Embers candle is for you. If you want to buy this candle or you want to have a look at our other ranges, head over to www.runwithwolves.org and join the wolf pack today. Oh! I hope this helps people understand a little bit. Grab one of your products, grab something that you're interested in saying. You know, if you're a photographer, maybe you want to talk about composition. If you doing food, maybe you just want to talk about how you make the food. Just get that beginning, middle and end. The beginning and the end are usually the same. It's just the middle bit that you need to mix up. I hope that helps you out.